major snowfall here in southeast Connecticut. It started snowing about yesterday, and it's still kind of snowing. We got a fair amount of snow. Forecasts were calling for like 12 to 18 inches. I'm not sure really how much we did get because it's all been blowing away. Because we got, I think last night we had some 50-mile-an-hour gusts. This stuff is just pretty deep. It's just drifted up by our stone walls. Last night my dad was plowing, so he plowed our driveway for us so we can get out if we need to. My mom's escape is kind of covered with snow. Amazingly, my boat though doesn't have any snow on it because I cut my boat cover on it last night or yesterday before it started snowing. We did get a decent amount of snow though. Coming up for this week, it's supposed to be kind of warm, so it's probably all gonna melt away. Because over the weekend it's supposed to be, I think, into the 40s. As you can see, there's pretty much no snow on my boat, because I decided to cover it up. However, on my dad's boat, and also on my snapper, my dad's Toro zero turn, it's a different story. Just walk out here, I'll be in a minute. The snow is actually very light and very fluffy, so it blows around easily. You can see there's some snow on the boat. Some snow on my dad's time cutter. And a fair amount on my snapper. Hopefully, what I'll have to do soon, if it warms up, is get my dad's motor winterized. It's a 1988 225 looper, loop charged V6. Actually, my dad and I painted it up because before we painted it, it looked horrible. Actually runs really good. This is a VRO, variable ratio oiling, which at idle it runs on about 150 to 1 oil mix, and at wide open throttle it's running on 50 to 1. Runs great.